Oh, no, 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 no.
My happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, happy. Oh, the happy. What?
Ay, por favor, Julián, somos tres.
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, happy. Oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.
Чистим зубки. Это у нас какая вкусная вообще. О, с ума сойти. Какая вкуснота вообще. Тихонечко. Тихонечко.
What do you want?
A chocolate.
You want what?
A chocolate.
Oh, you.
Wesh!
This is what it's like to have a chihuahua. Bro, what'd I do?
The evidence and then analyzes it in some way, chemically, with a microscope, whatever. That is forensic science. And then you need to decide, okay, well, do I want to do the biology stuff?
Went through a cave, a hole like the size of that, the gap in that table. Like you just like inch in and then it like opens up and it's open and there's like, it's open to the sky. There's beautiful trees. It's.
When your dog like his woman BBW, but she's not interested.
Кто ты тёнешь так?
And that makes me question getting married. Can you like think of me? Like how hard this is for me?
Tụi bay á hả, định dụ chị hả để bán qua Trung Quốc. Lấy nội tạng của chị xào cải chua, xào thịt heo, xào lòng bò hả?
Wakey, it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Stella. Happy birthday to you.
Everybody's so obsessed when girls bite their bottom lip, but I'm like, bite your top lip for me, baby. You my little piranha.
Yes, sir, I'm Cuban Pete. I'm the grace of my native street.
Come.
¿Qué era lo que le ibas a dar a Junior tú?
No, tú se lo vas a dar.
¿Un poquito de salchichón?
De salchichón del nuevo.
¿Para Junior?
Sí, porque el otro ya se acabó y Junior se va a caer de la mesa.
Okay, how many people have seen a dog climb a tree before?
Apparently, he's the only one allowed to enjoy his pool.
Bro, can I just enjoy the pool, bro? God. How'd you pull that? Oh, bro. Dude, can I have any fun around here, bro? God.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
Hey, we don't bark this early. No, what did I just say? We don't bark this early. No.
Do you wanna catch these hands? Bitch, I catch you in the streets. I'm with that beef. Bitch, I beat you weak. Yes.
Ben, are you okay? Ben. Look at her, so cute right now. Hi, baby. Hi, Emma. Hi, Emma. She was a bad girl today.
I need to know her name. Oh, good girl. Oh, good girl.
Дай псу.
Don't stop, bounce with it. Puppy dog bouncing in the house like this. Don't.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
And that lives in your house rent-free.
No. No.
Show me your pet is clingy without actually saying your pet is clingy.
But this dude has been screaming the entire bag.
Dipsy and motherfucking pup.